Okay, hi guys. As you can see here, we've got ourselves two special utility knife here. Now, first one is a multi-tool within a multi-tool. Let me open this knife. As you can see here, we got ourselves a mini ruler over the top here, and then a saw blade on the bottom. Look at these teeth. Very sharp. Don't hurt yourself. And then we got ourselves two screws here. See? And then we got ourselves a hex wrenches here. Let me put a close up on you. But last but not least, of course, an actual utility knife. Here, you can see we got ourselves a plastic cap here for safety. Very sharp. Actually, I pulled myself a little nick here yesterday. Very nasty. So, safety concern, let me pull this little demon back in place. Okay. Next up, same design, same handle, but a dual function knife. You see? Flex blade in the front and saw blade in the back. Also, flip to open, almost flip to close. Very handy. You know what's more handy than that? A clip buckle. See? They both have them. And then, yes, again, our old van. But also a quick design here to switch out your SK5 razor blade. Then put it back inside. It's a bit tricky, I see, but when inside, it's very secure. See? Again, safety concern, put it back inside the plastic cap. Put it back, and now this is a two dynamic duo. Okay, see you in the next video. Bye.